So now we are studying about the alpha particle scattering experiment. So there are many scientists who are trying to determine the particles, how it will behave. Okay. So this is one of the evidence for the structure of atom. Okay, if you look at the hierarchy in chemistry and all, there you will come across Rutherford comes and says that atom will be like this. Then his son, then J.J. Thomson. Okay, like this things, plum pudding model and so on, that you will study in detail in chemistry as well. The hierarchy of the discovery of atoms. Nobody is ready to agree that fact that, so his theories are the final conclusions. What they will do in physics mainly, nobody's discovery is based on their own. Means what I mean to say is that they won't start from the scratch. They take the evidence from the previous discoveries.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so that's what, even about the gravitation as well. It's not the only one man's theory. Not only Newton is responsible for the discovery of gravitation. There were many people. If you take from Copernicus, okay, Kepler, Galileo. So taking these people's discoveries as evidences, he made the further discoveries. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now we should focus on the alpha particle scattering experiment. So this provided mainly the evidence for the structure of atom. Okay.
Okay.
It was found out by Ernst Rutherford. It was found out by Ernst Rutherford. It was found out by Ernst Rutherford. So what did he do? It is in the beginning of the 20th century. Okay, it was in the beginning of the 20th century. So this is the experimental setup which was done by Ernst Rutherford.
Okay.
Can see it clearly, right?
Yeah, yes.
No problem. So you just need to think in a simpler manner. So the experimental setup consists of alpha particles. Okay. So here you can see the alpha particles. So these alpha particles are allowed to go through a gold foil. Okay, this is a gold foil. The setup is very much larger. That's a different scenario. But we have reduced as per our convenience. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So it consists of alpha particles which are fired. Fired in the sense ejected. Okay, fired in the sense not with the firing part. Fired means in the sense through a source the alpha particles is going through a thin gold foil.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can see the other side, the detector. Okay. So the alpha particles are ejected and it is going through a thin gold foil and it is detected at the detector. Is that clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Why we need to do so? The main question is that, so his main intention was to find out how many alpha particles are deflecting at different angles. Okay? At different angles. That's his main intention. Or else just like a mirror, incident ray from a source it is getting, it is reflected back, finished. But there also we proved loss of reflection, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, so it consists of alpha particles fired at thin gold foil. So the alpha particles are going through thin gold foil so that these alpha particles are reflected. We can take example of the detector as a mirror. You can, if you correlate with respect to the reflection part, you can consider it as a mirror. The incident ray is the alpha source. The reflecting source is a gold foil. Okay, but here it's not reflecting back. Is that clear?
Yeah.
but it is getting or it is getting detected, because in order to observe, something is there to inhibit, correct? Or else
Yes,
same
sir.
thing will be moving into the vacuum, no use, correct? So
Hmm.
for that purpose, he has made this setup in order to observe how alpha particles behave at different angles.
Wait, sir, why does he use a gold foil?
Huh?
Why not? Why does he use a gold foil, sir? Why not any other material?
Gold foil, the main intention is that the better reflector he felt so. According to him, he felt it as a better reflector. And another main thing is that, so he wanted the material which is up to a micrometer thickness.
Okay.
Micrometer thickness. So he used the gold foil. Maybe if he had taken a silver foil, the experiment would have been observed. His main intention was to get the get the alpha particle inside a vacuum, so that it should pass through a gold foil and should be detected on the detector part.
Sir, so we can use other materials instead of a gold foil. We can use anything else at a very small, like, measurement. Like
Other
this,
than gold,
yeah, like this. In this case, the gold foil is 10 to the power minus 6 meters thick, which is like really, really small. So the very small thickness. So similarly, can we use any other material of a very small thickness? Does the thickness affect the how the alpha source particles are like how do they get deflected?
okay, I will tell you. So one point is with respect to the thickness. Yeah, you came to that point. Another point is that, will you agree that gold is the most malleable metal?
Yeah.
That's one of the main reason. Okay. So
Okay.
as gold is the most malleable metal, and he wanted the thinnest layer of the metal. Okay.
Okay.
Hence he used gold. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So mainly with respect to the malleable property, which is the most malleable material, which is the gold. That's his main intention.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when the most of the alpha particles which go, that will study further, what will happen? The main reason of using gold foil is the malleable property of the, it is the most malleable material.
Okay. So the material also does affect the deflection, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay. And he made it to the thinnest layer of the metal. And the gold sheet which he used, it's around 1,000 times the thickness of an atom. Another important point.
Hmm.
Okay, it's 1,000 times thicker than the
Hmm.
atom. Any atom you take. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's his main intention of using gold foil.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So next,